Alright, so let's get to business now. Now the first thing we're going to do is switch this around. So the 45x squared, which is negative, we'll put that down here. The plus 13x, we'll put that down here. And this is 24, but it's implied to be a plus 24. So you bring that down here, that around here, and then this down here, right? So that's the first step to doing this. Now naturally you're going to factorize the coefficient of this x squared and put it out here, and then of course what is behind the x's will stay outside the bracket, right? So let's put that minus 45 out here. Okay, so when we divide minus 45x squared by minus 45, we're going to put x squared right there, and then plus 13x divided by minus 45 will be minus 13x over 45, right? If you multiply this by that, you'll get the plus 13x. Multiply this by that, you'll get that up there. No, there's something we have to put here and here. So let's fix that. Now if a positive blank squared goes here, we'll have to put the same out here as a negative blank x squared. Well, negative blank squared. Something like that. Maybe I can change the color. Okay, now the blank red squared is positive here and it's negative there. This is being multiplied by minus 45. We need to multiply this by. Alright, so we have enough room. Okay, so I think everything is how it should be. Now what are we going to do with this? Whatever we put here, we're going to put over here. So maybe I'll write that in blue. Alright, see there? Now, how did we get this? Add 45 plus 45, that will be the denominator for that fraction that you put over here. And then of course, yeah, when, you know, we can explain this. Yeah, we can explain, right? So this is what's going to happen. If you factorize this and you expand it, you end up with this up here. So square root this, square root that. Let me just show you. I'll show you better than I can tell you. Okay, so if you were to expand this, 13 plus 30 will give you 26. 26 over 90. When you divide 26 by 2, it gives you 13. When you divide 90 by 2, it gives you 45. That is why we can confidently say that if we square root this, we'll get that here.